Hey guys, it's you Monkito. So today I will go out to a trip again outside, showing you like the nature again. I will maybe give food to the animals today, like the birds, because I have some bread, and if they're coming any animals, maybe dog from the water, I'm just gonna go outside and make that. So I just want to say hello. Let's go to the vlog day again and Jesus quote. I see you guys like that, so I want to make a second one. So I'm making one. I'm maybe gonna make this one many of this video because I love breaking up, because I feel like I'm reading from the Bible and helping you guys to remember Jesus. If you're forgetting him, I'm kidding. You never forget him. I understand you're a good human. You never forget him. Cool. Not too much talking, showing. Here it comes. Now we're gonna go down here. We'll give the bird some food. Let's go. Go to the water. Somebody take it from my hand. Somebody take it from my hand. Somebody take it from my hand. Take it. I will have you in my camera. Come on. Come on. You go. No. Okay. Your eagle over here is so kind. Don't want to mess with me. Cute enough. So now I give the eagle again, the kra and the other name on the. I give them some food and everything now. And they are really kind, these birds over here. But when I go to my own city, they are not so kind. They have like good manner over here. They don't fuck with me when I give food. When I was in the city, I was eating and one of those birds come and try to take my food. So this bird over here have been treating really good. That's why maybe. Or they always getting food, that's why. Now the kra is here, kra, and the white bird, who I cannot name in English. I will put it name on my head. Cool. It's really windy and cold, so I need to go out now. There is the kra, and wow. Okay. Thank you all for watching this video with Monkito today. We'll come back with